Let's see what we are to expect for the day on GBP USD. Right, guys, yesterday we actually did a prediction that GBP USD will be giving us a bearish move for the day. So we actually had about 40 pips movement to the downside. GBP opened and closed bearish. Exactly what we predicted it to do. That is what market did. So basically, our prediction was absolutely correct. So this is one of the reasons why, if you want to learn more, understand more, you can actually visit Invest Social community, a community where group of traders of all experience level come to share that to share an idea, trade, setup. It is also not a community for traders only. It's also a community for analysts and also developers. It has sections for crypto, stocks, forex, and indices. You can be part of this community by visiting investsocial.com. Back to our analysis, we were anticipating for this drop due to the fact that we had a pullback on Friday, which markets opened and closed bullish on Friday. So when market did give us that bullish move, which was a pullback, we were expecting market to drop, and this is what market did. Market did give us this drop. So right now we are to expect another drop again. So we are to expect GBP USD to give us a bearish move for the day. So we should be targeting between 30 to also 50 pips for the day. So I think this movement will favor day traders. So day traders, those movements will favor you. But when you drop down to your forward time frame right here, guys, you will see it on your forward time frame. You see that market has literally dropped, which took out this previous low right here. It dropped and it took out this previous low. So you can wait for market to pull back to tap your 10 periods, your trend line, by the way. Remember, this trend line, we put this right here that we drew right here, can serve as a confluence. So you can wait for market to come back to tap your trend line, then that will serve as a confluence to make market to eventually drop again to form a new low to take out this previous low. So what we are trying to say is that we are still to expect another movement to the downside. If you find this video helpful, make sure you join or visit the Invest Social community to learn more, share an idea, and also get a trade with us. Investsocial.com. See you there.